Good morning, student. In the previous video, we have discussed the theory related to Wheatstone bridge and meter bridge. In today's class, we will discuss some problem related to Wheatstone bridge. In the previous class, we have discussed if four resistors are connected like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth resistor or a galvanometer is here. So this is 4 resistance PQRS, and suppose galvanometer or any resistor is here of resistance X. Then if P by Q is equal to R by S, then the bridge is said to be balanced. Bridge is balanced means potential at point B is equal to potential at point D. Means here from this branch or through the resistor X, no current will flow. Here, this you have to keep in your mind. That if the ratio of these two is equal to ratio of these two, then what is happening here, the bridge is said to be balanced, and the potential of these 2 points became equal, and no current will pass through this resistor. So you can, if no current is flowing through any resistor, you can remove that resistor from the circuit. That we will know from today's class. So just opposite, if these two potential of these 2 points are equal, bridge is said to be balanced. Then if bridge is balanced, then ratio of these two resistors will be ratio of these two one. Here, so let us start to solve some questions. Suppose this is one question. This is point A. Suppose this is connected to some XTS battery, and this is point B. This will be at positive potential, this will be at negative potential. Now, if it is told to you that find the current through different resistor or find the total resistance, then you have to see first, you have to draw the equivalent circuit of this one, and you will see it is a Wheatstone bridge. Then you have to deal the question. Yes. Remember one thing, student, that equivalent capacitance, series and parallel, has been omitted from your syllabus, but the general formula which you have read in class 10, you must know that in series combination we are adding the resistance, and in parallel combination what formula you have used, you must know that. Clear? Only the typical question related to solution of series and parallel combination will not come, but if it is related to Wheatstone bridge, it may be asked. Suppose this is P and this is Q, this is R, this is S, and this is X. I want to show you just that this is a Wheatstone bridge. Now you name different points. Suppose this is L, this point is M, this point is N. So A and L both are same point because they are connected to a wire. We have already done in the capacitance also. Now how do you have to write the point? A, L, suppose this point is S. A, L, S, M, N. A, L, S, M, N. And this point is connected to B. So you have to write the points like this. Slowly you will understand. When you will solve the question, you will understand how to write the points. Between L and S, P. L and M, R. SM, SM, sorry, SM is here. X, MS, MN. Between M and N is S, and between S, L, sorry, SS is repeated. So you take this point as, suppose Z. So this is Z. Between Z and M, X, between Z and N, Q, and rest we have written. So you can see, student, that we have drawn equivalent circuit for this, and of course this is a Wheatstone bridge. Clear? Now, if in question it is given that this P is equal to 4, Q is equal to 8 ohm, R is equal to 16 ohm, S is equal to 32 ohm, and this Z is equal to 5 ohm. So I am writing here, sorry, this X is equal to 5 ohm. This is 5 ohm. This is 4, 8, 16, 30. Now, if in question it is asked, find the equivalent resistance and find the current through each resistor. So first of all, you see what we have to do. Question is, find equivalent resistance and second, current through each resistor. Okay, now let us solve. Now you can see that the ratio of P by Q is equal to R by S, means this is a balanced state. The bridge is balanced. When the bridge is balanced, when this condition is fulfilled, it means there will be no current through this branch. Already we have discussed. So current through X is equal to 0 ampere. Now draw the equivalent circuit. If there is no current through this branch, you can remove this resistor. So it will be like this: P, Q, R, S. So this is 8, 16, 4, 8, 16, 30. Now this circuit became very clear, and if it is connected, suppose if it is connected to 12 volt battery, if it is connected to 12 volt battery. Now if it is asked what are the current through different resistor, so first you find the equivalent resistance. 8 and 4, 12. 16 and 32, 48. 12 and 48 resistance, equivalent resistance you can calculate, they are in parallel. So 12 into 48, 12 plus 48. Already you know the formula, you have read in class 10. 50. So it will be, calculation is little lengthier. No problem. 2 6 are 225 there. So 8 6 are 48, 4, 288 by 5. Whatever things will be given to you, calculate the equivalent resistance. Then you calculate the total current, that is 12 by R equivalent. When you get the total current, then you calculate the different current. Already you have done this problem in class 10 also. See how. Suppose out of this total current, that is when you will calculate this one, you will get the total current. Suppose I1 goes in this side and I2 goes in this side. Now you can write two equations. I1 plus I2 is equal to I. Second, these two resistors are in parallel, so potential drop across them must be equal. What is potential drop across this 12 ohm? 12 I1. And across this 48 ohm, 48 I2. So it will be, you will get relation between I1 and I2. So put the value of I1 here and calculate the value of I2. This already you have calculated from the formula. So in this way you have to solve the question related to Wheatstone bridge. Here, let us do one more problem. Suppose another form of Wheatstone bridge I am drawing. It can be given in different ways. You have to see You have to check yourself whether it is Wheatstone or not. Suppose one problem is like this. This is point A and this is point B. Between them, what will be the potential difference if it is asked? So first, how to solve this one? Suppose all are R. First, you try to understand how to draw equivalent circuit of this. You see here, this is point A. Suppose this is O. Both are same point because both are connected with only with wire. This is M. This is N. This is P. Now you draw. A and O both are same point. Now you start to go from A to point B. So A O M N P B. M N P B. Now between O and M you write the resistor between O and N. O and M is R. O and N is also R. M and N is also R. M and P is also R. N and P is also. Again you can see, student, this is the Wheatstone bridge and it is in balanced condition. P by Q is equal to R by S. So it is in balanced condition. So if equivalent resistance is asked, so remove this resistor, you will get like this. R, 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 R. This is point A, this is point B. These are in series 2R, these are in series 2R. Then parallel. So 2R, 2R parallel is R. So in this way you will get the equivalent resistance. When you get the equivalent resistance, suppose R, suppose it is connected with battery, then you find the current. Okay, let us solve by putting the numerical value. Suppose it is given to you that this is 5 ohm, this is 4, this is 8. This is 8 and this is 16 ohm. Suppose the value is given to you and this EMF between A and B is suppose given 6 volt. Now find the current through different resistor. Now you can see when I will draw the equivalent circuit, it will be like this, where OM is, I have taken 4, ON, this is suppose given, it is not given here, suppose this is given 8 ohm. Next, MP, this is given 8 ohm, and ON, this is also 8 ohm, and NP, this is 16 ohm. Suppose it is given different resistor is given to you. Now you can see whether this is balanced state or not. 4 by 8, P by Q, that is half, R by S, that is also half. So it is in balanced state. Clear? Now it is connected to how much? 6 volt battery. So if it is in balanced state, this is given as 5 ohm. So this 5 ohm you can remove. So what is the equivalent? 4, 8. Both are in series. 8, 16. These are in series connected to 6 volt. So 8, 4, 12. And 8 and 16, 24. This is connected to 6 volt. Now the problem became easier. I think all of you can solve this because you already have learnt in class 10. Just the result I am taking. 12 and 24 equivalent is 12, 24. 12, 24 plus 36, 3, 8. So resistance equivalent is 8 ohm. And the cell is 6 volt. So current will be EMF by equivalent resistance. So 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. Now total current coming is 3 by 4. How much current? Suppose I1 current is going in this direction, I2 in this direction. So just now I have told you have to write two equation for that. Now it is very simple. So 12 I1 is equal to 24 I2, that is cancel it. I1 is equal to 2 I2, equation 1. Now second, I1 plus I2 is 3 by 4. I1 plus I2 is 3 by 4. So now you can put 2 I2 in place of I1. So it is 2 I2 plus I2, that is 3 I2 is equal to 3 by 4. So I2 is 1 by 4 and I1 is 2 I2, so it is 2 into 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4. So in this way, question may be asked, find the different current through different resistor, equivalent resistor, and the potential between different point also it may be asked. Suppose it is asked what will be the potential between M and O through this 4 ohm resistor. So you can see that if I1 current is going through equivalent, so this I1 will go from 4 ohm also and 8 ohm also. So potential drop across these 2 points is 4 I1, that is 4 into 2 by 4, that is 2 volt. And potential drop across these 2 points is 8 I1. In this way you can calculate. So potential difference between 2 points can also be asked to you. Here. So in this way, many more form of meter bridge you have to find out, and I will send you the different patterns of Wheatstone bridge, how it can be asked, and you try to solve yourself, because the more you will solve, you will get more knowledge. Unless you solve yourself this type of question, you will be not get full knowledge of that concept. Yeah. So better you try yourself, and then you will get actual knowledge, and you will be able to solve in the examination room without any confusion. Here, for Wheatstone bridge, for meter bridge, I am solving 2 questions which is based on Wheatstone bridge only. Suppose we have 4 resistor like this, 2 resistor and 1 wire. Now this is 50 centimeter. Suppose it is given when this is 2 ohm and this is 4 ohm, then okay, I am telling you only the pattern because data is available in the book, you can see. Suppose it is asked that we have 2 resistors P and Q, and we are getting balance point at L1 when these resistors are there, and so of course this will be 100 minus L1. So when the galvanometer shows no deflection, when we are arranging like this, the galvanometer shows no deflection at L1. Suppose, then how will you write the equation? If galvanometer is showing no deflection, means this bridge is balanced, means P by Q is equal to L1 by 100 minus L1. Already we have derived the formula. P by Q is equal to R by S. In place of R, when you will write the formula, all will cancel out, only length will remain. Here also length will remain, area and resistivity will cancel out. Now question is asked, this is question. Suppose some another resistor X is connected to this in parallel or in series. Clear? So the balance point changes to, suppose, L2. Balance point changes to L2. Of course, rest will be 100 minus L2. So you have to find L2. So for that, what will be the equation? You can see P by this total resistance you have to write. If they are arranged in parallel, then if they are arranged in series. Suppose here parallel. So what is the equivalent resistance of 2 resistors in parallel? Qx by Q plus X. And this is balanced at this length, So L2 by 100 minus L2. So this will be equation 2. And according to that you have to solve. If it is given that it is in series, then you have to write the same thing like this. P by Q plus X is equal to L2 by 100 minus L2. So what is given in the question? Generally this type of question has been asked in the board exam. So you have practiced this type of question first, then you can practice for others. So these two equation you have to solve. L1 will be given to you, L2 you have to find. Clear? So the things which is given to you, according to that you solve the second equation and get the result. So in meter bridge this type of question you try to solve, and other question also I will send you, and try to solve yourself. If any confusion then you can ask. That's all in this class. Thank you.